Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on Bitcoin. We want to take a look at the shorter time frame here, and what you can see is that we are still holding below resistance. Maybe before we actually dive into really the microstructures, let's take a brief look at the daily time frame just for context, because we didn't do that in the previous video. We are still holding way above the 69k level, which is critical support and my bull bear pivot. I showed you yesterday here that the CME gap got filled, which the price partially filled end of February, got completely filled yesterday. So that's closed, that's gone, consider that gap gone. Is that bullish or bearish? Well, without price confirming an upside reversal, there's nothing directly bullish about it. However, I'm still watching for a reversal to the upside from this region. Really, nothing has changed since yesterday. But as long as we stay below resistance on the smaller time frame, there's no evidence that a low has formed. I think the stock market opened slightly positive today, but is now in sell-off mode as well. And also on the stock indexes that I'm tracking as well in parallel on the More Trading online channel and in our stock service, there is no confirmation yet that a low has formed. That can change quickly. I mean, it's typically when a low is in, it's obvious and it's too late. So therefore, you have to make a decision what you do with your own positions. It can be an approach to buy slowly in this decline. Just because you're catching the falling knife, you must not do it with overly aggressive, unless you know exactly what you're doing and you need to know where you want to stop out. So it's just simple trader math. Calculate your risk to stop, and then you accumulate a little bit. But that's only one possible strategy, just sort of just one way of doing it. Key here would be to keep it small until we have a reversal confirmation. And when we have a reversal confirmation and it's obvious that a low is in, you could buy into the next pullback, for example, a little bit more aggressively. These are sort of just the strategies, right? Because Elliott Wave itself, I mean, what we show you here is our model, it's based on our guidelines and so on. And Elliott Wave rules, it's not a chart, it's not a trading system, right? It is a chart analysis, but obviously you can use the levels to integrate them into your trading system. So why do I say that? Because I often get people who ask me, how do I trade this? Well, there are hundreds of ways how you can trade this. What generally Elliott Wave traders do is if they use the levels, they will start to accumulate at key decision areas. But obviously keep it small until we get a reversal confirmation, then they can be more aggressive. But you could also integrate this chart and our levels into your own trading system, add indicators, add indicators. What we observe as well, in addition to this, is obviously a series of some on-chain data in the background, but also the relative strength index, which is bullish, potentially bullish. No, I shouldn't say it's bullish. It's not bullish. It shows a bullish divergence. Okay, it shows a bullish divergence, and that's just something to watch. The price will have to confirm that that divergence. It's holding. That divergence is holding, which means we have a lower low on the price chart and a higher low on the relative strength index. Definitely something to watch. I'm still tracking a descending broadening wedge here as well, and an upside breakout from here could send it first into the resistance area. Key resistance here around 100k, of course, and then beyond that we could move towards 130k in the white count, which is still preferred. But let's take a quick look at the smaller time frame here. As I said, we're still stuck below resistance. I don't have any confirmed low yet, and it's again getting very protracted. It's not obvious that a low is in. It's slowly moving higher, and if a low has formed already, then this is probably a diagonal structure to the upside, in which the price should reach 87k in wave 3. That would be a good, first step to confirm a low in place. At the moment, we are looking at a very choppy rally from the Monday low, and this choppy rally, it's a Tuesday low. It's not impulsive, and we are reacting currently to the 50% retracement. And we haven't even broken above the golden ratio level, which would be important. And we haven't reached what would be considered the first ideal target in the third wave. While that can all still happen, because we're printing higher highs, higher lows there, without at least getting to the 138% extension, I would give the white count preference. One more low. That's my view for Ethereum as well. So until we get at least a healthy third wave, I would give the white count preference with another 4-5 pattern then, where the wave 5 should get to at least 88,340. Well, the bulls would clearly take the lead. We're far away from that at the moment. We'll see how the day goes today, but at least it gives you here the key levels, the key parameters to watch. Any break below 79,077, that swing low from yesterday, would likely indicate we're heading down for another low. That's how I see it at the moment. Yeah, that's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, join the conversation on X. Yeah, here there are additional updates, stuff about mindset, posting some on-chain indicators as well here and there. There are discussions around charts. Check it out. There's additional content to be found here. And yeah, thank you very much. Bye-bye.